Hi, thanks for stopping by this page. I'd like to invite you to a completely free weight loss seminar. We're going to learn some really important things, such as what you actually need to do to lose weight, what kind of foods you need to eat. We're going to go through the whole story of this, and you'll discover why much of what you've been told isn't really relevant anymore. You see, very few of us drive a 1970s car unless we're enthusiasts. We want a modern car, we want the reliability, we want the good seat belts, the safety, the crumple zones, all of those things. And yet, most of us are eating a diet that was constructed in the 70s and 80s and is so far out of date as to be unbelievable. Yet, it's still, you're being told. We're going to get around that. We're going to come up to date with what the latest research is, the latest advanced clinicians are doing worldwide and have been for the last 10 to 20 years. But it's been a little bit of a secret. You're going to learn what you don't need to do. And this is really important because so many of the things that we're told to do for weight loss just aren't necessary and are literally a waste of time. So you can save yourself the time and the aggravation by not having to do these things. And that includes, we look at things like superfoods. Are they really super? Are they really important? Is it worth paying a premium for them? We'll discuss that. The best form of exercise. This is really, really important. This is critical to understand. And what we need to understand is the exact role of exercise in weight loss. And it's not what you think. What else? You'll get the diet plan. You'll get the exact diet plan that my clients get when they come to see me on a one-to-one basis. And we'll do an introduction to the emotional management side. This in itself is a really big topic and is best done on a one-to-one basis, but we'll do an introduction to it so you get the sense of where it's going, how you can manage all of these changes in your life. And this is all completely free to you. So why is it free? Well, here's what I know. There's a percentage of people will be able to just take this information and go with it. And I hope they do, and I wish them the best of luck. Some of you will need some more help. And that's where I come in, because after this seminar, if you'd like my help, if you need my help, I can work with you and get you across all the hurdles, get you across those things like the resistance, the fear to change, the emotional eating, the boredom eating, the stress eating, the food cravings, the food addictions. There's so many things, but what you're going to get here is a lot of information. You'll get so much to think about. You'll also take away a link where you can go and revisit all of this so you don't have to remember it all on the night. You can keep referring back to it. You'll also be able to access recipes. You'll be able to access a whole series of short videos that I've filmed on various topics, and also linking you to some of the leading lights in this world of nutrition. So I look forward to meeting you at an upcoming free presentation. You can just look for the details on this page. Give me a call, book your seat. I book small venues, and I like to be able to work with people and talk to people rather than big rooms. So thank you. I'm Ian Newton. See you soon. Oh, P.S. Invite a friend. Invite someone you care about. And you can work together. You can help each other. Thank you.